Dude, listen to this theory, okay? So, my Betta fish, his name is Ghost. He's cool. He's lives in this cave. It's like pretty sick. He loves it. There's lots of places that he can like chill and hide and tuck himself into. But like, check this out. There's like a ficus growing on top over here and here, and like moss and stuff. Sick. But the ficus roots come down the rock here, and then he's like made a ring of the roots. See that? Like a ring of roots? Like a nest? He's made like a nest, right? That's a nest, bro. Anyway, he made that and he sleeps in it like every night. Like a wee little bird on the cliff. Bro, Ghost. Bro, you're a psycho, man.